Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the last weekly update for the 2021-2022 school year for the week of May 27th, 2022. Here are some upcoming events. Please save the date for Form Fill-Out Day, July 27th, 8:30 a.m. till 1 p.m. for the elementary campus, and July 28th, 8:30 till 1 p.m. for the secondary campus. Please come up to school to sign up for bus routes, shuttle, aftercare, free and reduced lunch, order uniforms, and fill out other important school paperwork. Kona Ice will be there from 10 till 1 each day. August 9th is Meet the Teacher at both campuses, and the first day of next school year will be August 10th. Here's a message from our administration.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to the last day of school. I know that the students are very excited, and certainly the teachers are. For those of you who will be seeing at summer school, we look forward to all of the exciting activities that we have planned. For those of you that will not be coming to summer school, please make sure that you continue to read, and we need you to stay safe. I know this has been a tough year. It's been a tough couple of years, but we survived and we thrived. So on behalf of the governing board, the school administration, faculty, and staff, we want to wish you all a very, very safe and happy summer. Thank you so much, and we will see you in August.
9th to 11th graders went on a field trip to the Norton Museum of Art this past Monday. They saw the artworks of many artists they had studied throughout the school year, like Picasso, Monet, Oldenburg, and Warhol. They had fun doing a scavenger hunt, some sketching, and being inspired by paintings and sculptures. It was a perfect day to celebrate a year of art making. We are proud to announce the secondary school Sharks T-shirt design winner. Hakeem Petit Matre, a 9th grader, won. He won a $25 Amazon gift card and a free T-shirt with his design on it. We are working to get his design ready to be printed on T-shirts that will be available for purchase for next school year. Congratulations, Hakeem. Our safety patrol had a wonderful time visiting SeaWorld in Orlando. We had lots of things to celebrate this past week. The elementary campus had a dance party for perfect attendance and no tardies. Here are some pictures from 5th grade moving up ceremony.
We honor our flag to start.
Here's our kindergarten moving up ceremony. Here are pictures from our last trimester elementary award ceremony. Eighth graders celebrated their moving up with a dance party. And finally, here is our eighth grade moving up ceremony. Don't forget to watch Storytime at the Maritime every Tuesday this summer. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent. See you at Form Day.